Alright, so today we're going to teach you guys how to get set up on your MyQ for your LiftMaster openers. The first step is downloading the MyQ app, which is free. So once we click into the MyQ app, you can, this one we have multiple garage doors on it, but basically this little plus button right down here, it just asks us if we want to add a device. So you can do device, notification, schedule, user. So we're going to hit device. Then it asks us if we want to do a garage door opener, jack shaft opener, some smart hubs, internet gateways. We're just going to do a standard garage door opener. And then you need to have access to your Wi-Fi garage door opener, strong Wi-Fi signal, your Wi-Fi password, and your Bluetooth enabled. So check all those boxes, hit I am ready, and then it's asking us what wall button you have. For us, it's going to be this one there. So it says lift the bottom cover, press and release the learn button. So I'm going to do that right now. So we're going to hit the learn button, and then we're going to hit next. You should have heard a beep from the ceiling mounted opener, which we did. We hit next, and it's currently looking for devices. So it says leave your app, go to settings, and click the Wi-Fi network that begins with, ours is going to say MyQ XXX, but there's going to be a lot of different ones. So we're going to leave our app, go to our settings, get our Wi-Fi, and it should pull up our MyQ XXX. So it's going to be MyQ 6F4. And then from there it's hooked up. We go back into the app. So since we've done that, we're going to hit next. And then we click on whatever Wi-Fi network you have. Ours is just going to be the A+. And then it's just asking for a password. And we're going to hit next. So now it should be connecting to the network. Should take a few minutes, and we should hear a series of beeps. And now we are starting to hear those beeps. And now I can name it whatever I want, so we'll just do training room. Hit next, saving it, hit finish, and then we can go, it says training room, and it opened up our door for us. Alright, so now that we've gotten the app, we've hooked it up to our phone, all we have to do is click into the app now, and we have a couple different doors. We have the north shop door, south shop door, training room door. So from anywhere in the world that you have cell phone service, and as long as you have Wi-Fi on your home, you can just hit the button to close it. It'll do a series of beeps. That's to warn anyone, and the lights flashing is to warn anyone that's either blind or deaf. Door's closing. And it tells me that the training room door is closed for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and you can hit it again, and it'll open right back up.